What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 2002 Cadillac Escalade. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeff and I make an assortment of do-it-yourself videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. A few months back during the winter, I hit a deer with this Escalade, and I've replaced everything including the grill and the headlights. Bent out a few things, so I had to replace a few things. But last thing I have to do is replace the condenser. Can't live without the condenser anymore. Here in PA today it's 94 with like a 80% humidity, pretty hot. So I need some AC. We're gonna start on changing this. I already got a new one. It's in my truck, so we're gonna work on getting this old one out. Let's get into it. Okay, so first I gotta take this off and I gotta get the grill out. So I'm gonna do first. This comes right off. So now I'm going to take the grill off. So I have one bolt right here, I believe. Yeah, it is a 10. Next, I'm going to take this one out. This one out. They're both 10 millimeters. And then I believe I have to take out this one and this one right here. There's another one in the bottom too. I'm not sure if I have to take that out or not. But right here you can see that's where it was leaking. My power steering cooler got pushed into the condenser, but I need a new one anyway. I got pushed in right here too. This all was pushed in a good bit. Take this one out too. This one's broke, so I don't think I have to remove that on mine. I will anyway. I know I have to remove two 10 millimeters behind there. Then these ones still down here. Okay, I'm gonna try to get these ones behind here out. I'm sure there's an easier way, but I'm using just a 10 millimeter wrench. So I got these two behind here out. I just used a 10 millimeter wrench to loosen them up, and then I got them out with my fingers. I got this one out right here, and this one out right here. So, and I removed this one just to give me a little bit of extra playroom. But I do need to remove that one still. It's down there. And same on this side. It's down there. I think it'll be a lot easier if I just remove the headlights real fast. These have all been sized 10 millimeter. Same thing as the other side. You can get to this bolt easy now. Now I got that one removed. Now I think all I have to do is remove these couple lines. So it should be a 13 millimeter here and a 13 millimeter right there. My system should already be decompressed, but just watch out for when you're actually undoing this for a little bit of compression to come out of here. This with 13 millimeter. Okay, that one's off. Now same thing on the bottom one. Okay, got both of them off. This thing should be ready to come out. Okay, and it's out. Okay, here's the new one. Holy shit, that scared me. Okay, we gotta put in the new studs. I think we're ready to put this bad boy back in. I want to be careful not to bend any of these fins, and I think I'm supposed to put in a little bit of PAG oil, like an ounce, but I don't have any. You really only have to replace it if you're replacing the compressor too. I've changed a few of these without adding any PAG, so it should be fine, but you are supposed to add a little bit right to the port, just to lubricate a little bit, but I should be fine, hopefully. Okay, we're almost in there. Okay, we're getting close. There it is. Do the same thing, but in reverse order. The other two in that are in the bottom. Get these ones started. Alright guys, and that's it. So I got her all back together. I took her down to my mechanic and got the condenser, recharged with Freon. Got the whole system vacuumed out and recharged. And we're good to go. Got some ice cold air now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it. And consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.